We're given to understand that Imtiaz Jalil of the AIMIM was gheraud by people. There are visuals coming in on your screens now from the Sambhaji Nagar area where the Neta faced the ire of the party workers. Angry over not being given tickets, the workers attacked Imtiaz Jalil's car. Imtiaz was present in the car at the time of the attack. The sequence there on your screen tells you what transpired, how Imtiaz Jalil's car came under attack. He was present inside the car when people lost their cool and started attacking his car. Rucha continues to be with us on the broadcast. We are being told that the people who are attacking Imtiaz Jalil are the AIMIM party workers, and the reason behind this is that they were not given tickets. So they were angry over decision taken on ticket distribution.
Well, that is true. The party workers of AIMIM are the only ones who have attacked Imtiaz Jalil, and this incident was reported from Chhatrapati Sambhaji Nagar, where Imtiaz Jalil comes from, and this has happened because the party workers did not get the tickets for the municipal corporation, and as a response to that, they became angry and started attacking the vehicle from which Imtiaz Jalil was traveling. Currently, he is campaigning across the Maharashtra, and today he was at the campaign in Chhatrapati Sambhaji Nagar, and after which when he left, we are seeing how in a video a mob is gathering around his vehicle. They first pretended that they are trying to meet him, shake his hand, but then they started attacking the vehicle. They tried to break the glass of the vehicle, and some of them even tried to enter the vehicle to grab him and take it out of the vehicle. But because there was security present, there was no harm in the entire incident, and after that he was escaped safely from the spot. But this angry reactions that we are seeing are statewide, and it was surprising that their own party workers, the party workers of AIMIM, are the ones who attacked their leader because he did not get the ticket to fight the municipal corporation elections.
All right, Rucha, thank you very much for getting us the details. We'll keep coming back to you. With that, we're slipping into